The complete installation guide for logistics Loadbar Wide, the next generation one-way solution for securing light to medium weight loads. After loading the cargo, determine the best location for installation. Keep in mind that multiple sets may be needed to safely secure your cargo. Choose an area that will place the Loadbar wides at the same height and position, assuring the 2x4 will be installed parallel to the floor. The 2x4 needs to be against the freight, which will prevent the cargo from starting to shift. The entire application area must be clean and dry to ensure proper installation. Use a dry cloth and, if needed, a scraper and rubbing alcohol to wipe down the application area. To ensure proper fit and pressure, always use a standard 96-inch or 8-foot 2x4. Each Loadbar wide contains a perforated foam insert that is engineered to apply continuous pressure between the 2x4 and the walls of the trailer. The Loadbar wide is specifically designed for use in wide trailers with an inside of 99 to 102 inches. If the inside width of the trailer is less than 99 inches, cut your 2x4 to 5 inches less than the inside width of the trailer. Remove the blue tape backing from one Loadbar wide. In a level manner, place the Loadbar wide onto the determined application area of one wall, making sure that the handle is pointed away from the freight and the pocket of the Loadbar wide is positioned so the 2x4 will be in contact with the freight. Next, insert the 8-foot 2x4 into the pocket of the installed Loadbar wide and place the second Loadbar wide onto the opposite end of the 2x4 in the same orientation as the first. With the blue tape backing still in place, pull the second Loadbar wide towards you and slide into the chosen application area on the opposite wall of the trailer until the 2x4 is level and snug against the cargo. An ample amount of force is needed to slide the second Loadbar wide into place because of the outward pressure of the system. If the pressure is too great, remove half of one foam insert and try to reinstall. If the pressure is still too much, remove half of the foam insert on the opposite side and reinstall. Never remove all foam from Loadbar wides. Once the second Loadbar wide is in position, locate the exposed white adhesive tab near the handle. Fold the adhesive tab against the Loadbar wide and peel back the corner of the blue tape backing for easy grasp. While carefully maintaining the position of the 2x4 and second Loadbar wide, use one hand to pull the handle of the Loadbar wide slightly toward you and away from the trailer wall. With your other hand, grab the corner of the blue tape backing. Pull down and to the rear of the Loadbar wide, exposing several inches of the adhesive. Next, slowly release the handle and gently secure the exposed portion of adhesive to the trailer wall. Once secure, hold the Loadbar wide in place with one hand and pull the remaining portion of the backing downward and to the rear of the Loadbar wide. Make sure the entire blue tape backing is removed so the adhesive surface is uncovered and exposed to the wall. When the entire blue tape backing has been removed from the second Loadbar wide, press it firmly and squarely against the wall. Repeat this action with the other Loadbar wide, making sure firm and steady pressure is applied. Continue this process until you feel certain the entire surface of each Loadbar wide is fully adhered to the wall. Important: once the Loadbar wides are installed, they cannot be repositioned. The complete removal guide for logistics Loadbar wide, the next generation one-way solution for securing light to medium weight loads. One side of each Loadbar wide pocket has scoring channels. Since each Loadbar wide is designed for either right or left side use, scoring channels will only be accessible on the top side of one Loadbar wide. Score these channels thoroughly with a utility knife. Next, break open and bend back the top of the Loadbar wide pocket using a pry bar so the 2x4 is exposed. Lift and remove the 2x4 from the pocket by prying and pulling up. Remove the foam inserts from both of the Loadbar wides. Slide a pry bar into the cavity at the base of the Loadbar wide's pocket. Apply slow and steady pressure to the pry bar in a downward motion until the Loadbar wides become detached from the wall. Use a rag scraper, and if needed, a citrus-based adhesive remover to clean any remaining tape leftovers from the trailer walls.